So okay, you guys voted for it. The boring flamethrower against the iPhone. This is an older iPhone, a little rose-colored one that I got from Jonathan Morrison. Actually, I got the boring thing here from Jonathan Morrison at TLD. So first off, lots of love to Jonathan from TLD. You've been a great friend. Thank you for all your support. So that's what we're going to do. We're here in my driveway outside. You guys can see I got probably one more day left in my chair, and then I'll be out of this chair and walking. I am keeping my fingers crossed, my friends. Now, when we do this video, I would have you guys sing The Roof. The roof is on fire, but I think if I set the roof on fire, the Housing Association will come and kick me out. Now, before we do all this burning and turning, let's hear a quick word from today's sponsor, Corsair. The Strafe Mark II features 100% Cherry MX RGB key switches, providing a smooth and linear response with precise accuracy. These switches deliver flawless key presses and have a lifespan of up to 50 million actuations, so you know you're getting the durability you'll need. There's also a convenient USB pass-through port for any additional USB device you might want to use. It also includes a volume wheel so you can adjust the audio on the fly without interrupting your game at all. The Strafe Mark II is also compatible with the iQ software so you can customize the RGB to however you want it to look. Looking for a tool to take on your PC opponents? Give the Strafe Mark II RGB mechanical gaming keyboard a look today. So there you have it. Looking for a killer keyboard? Check out the Mark II. Now with that said though, let's go ahead and let's set everything up. We have a little custom bar stool from the backyard. So it was a kind of a broken bar stool. So we're like, all right, we need some kind of prop to put the iPhone on to burn it up that won't, you know, blow up the neighborhood or cause any serious trouble. And now I got to set up this interesting little boring thing. So let's jump in and let's set this thing up and get ready to do the burn. Baby, burn. Burn. So now really quickly, let's set up our ghetto display for the iPhone. For safety reasons, I shall now don my safety goggles. Yes, I will. Bonk. Ain't she a beaut?
So beautiful.
Okay, so now we need to set up the flamethrower. Although it's kind of funny because on the box it says it's not a flamethrower, but it clearly does say flamethrower right here. So this little thing right here is the first thing we're going to adjust. All the way this way means that it's completely turned off, which is clockwise, and counterclock means it's on. So I'm going to turn it just a wee little bit on to start the flames. I don't really know how crazy it's going to be. Then I have to hook up this little contraption right here, making sure that it is completely off. So the last thing we do is we just lock the tank into position, then we replace the tank, and then last but not least, we're going to turn this little part right here. But there you could hear it actually coming out. Holy, it's a flamethrower and it's working. Let's get that iPhone. God. 5, 6, 7. Oh my God. Man, this iPhone is pretty tough, right?
There we go.
Oh, iPhone is burning now, baby. Oh, crazy. That's crazy. Get a close up. Now back away from that. You get a close up. Here we go. Oh, crazy. Oh, this is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh my God, the iPhone's still going though. I think I'm almost out of propane though. We'll see what's going on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, wait a second again.
7 seconds.
7. Oh wow, okay, crazy. How's look this flame on camera?
Hold on, not too close.
I got you. It's burning up crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. You want to let it cool off a second? Cool off a second. Oh my God.
This thing's durable.
It's durable, man. The iPhone's tougher than you think, man. Look at the flamethrower this motherfucker's going. They should have had one of these things during World War II. Would have outlasted. They could have built their tank and iPhones. No, this is crazy. How does the backside look? Oh man, this iPhone is pretty durable. Oh my God. It's still going. I still got a little bit more propane, I think. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. The
Nice.
crazy mad flamethrower guy. Every neighborhood needs one of these, right? All right, last tank.
That was a good one.
All right, man. The iPhone is tough. That was totally a lot of fun. Look, the damn iPhone is still burning. Burn, baby, burn like a disco inferno, man. It is still going. Have to say, though, honestly, the iPhone held its own pretty dang good against the flamethrower, though, right? I mean, I was burning the crap out of that thing. And what's really crazy is, look, on the backside, didn't even really burn it. Front side's still going, but check out the backside. Still going. Backside almost looks, you know, still almost new, but on the other side, all the inside components are still burning. So that's a pretty tough outer case on the iPhone, I gotta say. Flamethrower's a crazy thing, and I honestly think the iPhone held up pretty good, all things considering, because the whole back plate of it is still intact, and even though it's burnt, it's not completely destroyed. So let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. This was a lot of fun. Thanks you guys for watching. So if you guys would like to see more flamethrower versus things, well, you guys let me know. You guys voted for the iPhone, so that's what I did. Let me know if you'd like to see something else. I'll put a poll back here about the next things to burn, and you can let me know what you want to see burn here on Tech of Tomorrow. Peace. And hey, if you want to get one of these flamethrowers, or God forbid it, you want to get an iPhone, we'll have a link down below. Burn, baby, burn. Knock that mama down. Look at this going burn out.
Oh, that would be cool.
Burn, baby, burn, baby, burn.